Full, ready to record video script for a 2026 double-floor, double-decker motorhome review, covering key features, performance, design elements, unique selling points, and prices, written in a conversational, engaging style that mixes technical details with layman-friendly language. Pushpin note: since 2026 double-floor motorhome describes a new generation of two-level luxury RVs, sometimes also called double-decker motorhomes. This script draws on the latest available specs and examples, e.g., Toyota and Scania double-deckers, to give a comprehensive picture of what buyers and viewers want to know in 2026. Carblogs.in+1 Clapperboard video script, 2026 double-floor motorhome review. Estimated length, approximately 9,000 words. Tone, friendly but authoritative. Audience, general viewers, automotive and travel fans, RV buyers. Intro, 0-100 to 1 o'clock. Movie camera, on camera. Host standing beside the motorhome. Host, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting vehicles of 2026, the double-floor motorhome. This isn't your typical RV, it's a two-story, hotel on wheels that redefines how we think about on-the-road living. We're going to break down what makes it so special, from design and comfort to performance, technology, and pricing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this could be the future of luxury travel. Let's jump in. Chapter 1. The concept. What is a double-floor motorhome? 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Movie camera, B-roll footage. Exterior walk-around. Aerial drone shot. Host voiceover. When we say double-floor motorhome, we're talking about a fully self-contained recreational vehicle with two distinct living levels, typically an upper deck for sleeping and relaxation, and a lower deck that includes driving, kitchen, dining, and entertainment spaces. Think of it as a compact home with full height on both floors rather than the loft-style spaces you see on older RVs. Carblogs.in. This design dramatically increases usable interior space without making the vehicle wider, which means, with proper planning, it still fits RV parks and campsites designed for large Class A motorhomes. The double floor also allows for better thermal insulation, storage, utility routing, and stability compared to single-level designs. Script. Host on camera. These vehicles combine the functionality of an RV with the comfort of a tiny home, perfect for families, full-time travelers, and anyone who wants to explore without sacrificing comfort. Chapter 2. Exterior design and build, 4 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Movie camera, exterior shots, front, sides, roof, windows. Host voiceover. Right off the bat, the exterior design of a 2026 double-floor motorhome stands out. Whether it's the sleek double-decker profile of the Toyota variant or the commercial-grade build of the Scania model, designers have focused on a balance between space, aerodynamics, and structural integrity. Carblogs.in+1. Let's look at the key exterior touches. 1. Two-level architecture. Instead of a loft or pop-top, the double floor is a full upper deck with windows and standing height, which lets you move without crouching. The lower deck is dedicated to daily living spaces like the kitchen and lounge. This separation improves privacy and utility. Carblogs.in. 2. Material and build quality. Most high-end double-deck motorhomes use lightweight composite panels and wind tunnel-tested body styles that help reduce drag and improve fuel performance. Premium sealed doors, reinforced floors, and corrosion-resistant coatings are now common. Friends International Yoga. 3. Practical features. Look for solar panels on the roof, 400 to 800 W or more. Adaptive LED headlights and taillights. Motorized awnings. Integrated utility access hatches. Exterior storage bays with locking systems. Satellite and 5G. Connectivity antennas for remote living. All of this enhances functionality on long trips or off-grid stays. Balloony. Chapter 3. Interior experience and layout. 12 o'clock 25:00. Movie camera, interior walkthrough, ground floor to upper floor. Host voiceover. Once you step inside, the difference becomes clear. The double floor design isn't just about height, it's about specialized zones that let you live, work, sleep, and entertain in distinct spaces. Lower deck, daily life zone. This area includes a fully equipped kitchen, refrigerator, induction stove, microwave, sink. A dining area that often converts into extra sleeping space. A lounge with panoramic windows. A compact bathroom with shower and dry flush toilet. Designers have focused on an experience that feels more like an apartment kitchen and living room than a campervan interior. Carblogs.in +1. Upper deck, rest and relaxation. Upstairs you'll generally find a master bedroom suite, a lounge or panoramic observation area, optional mini office or media zone. What's amazing here is the natural light and space. Floor-to-ceiling windows in some models make this feel like a loft overlooking the landscape. Carblogs.in. Materials and comfort. From hand-stitched leather seating to polished wood veneers, ambient LED lighting, and climate-controlled zones, these interiors aren't just functional, they're luxurious. Many designers even include features like multi-zone heating, cooling, noise-reducing insulation, smart lighting scenes, large storage under both floors. This ensures comfort not just for short trips, but months on the road. Baluni. Chapter 4, Technology and Connectivity, 25003200. Movie camera cut to dashboard, screens, control panels. Host voiceover. Modern motorhomes are now tech hubs on wheels, and the 2026 double floor models are no exception. Key systems you'll find include large touchscreen infotainment systems, voice-controlled climate and lighting, smart home integration Alexa, Google Home, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite internet and 5G connectivity, multiple USB-C and household outlets, 360 degrees camera and RV-specific monitoring. All of this makes long-term living easy and connected, whether you're offline camping or staying in RV parks with Wi-Fi. Baluni. Chapter 5, Performance, Engine and Driving Experience, 32004500. Movie camera, driving footage, highway, hills, campsite arrival. Host voiceover. Given their size and weight, you might expect these double-floor motorhomes to be sluggish, but that's not the case. Engine and powertrains. Most 2026 double-decker motorhomes offer hybrid powertrains, a mix of combustion and electric propulsion. High-output diesel engines on heavier chassis versions. For example, one prominent Toyota double-deck model uses a 3.5L hybrid V6 with electric assist, giving around 460 horsepower and strong torque for hills and loaded travel. Carblogs.in. Heavy chassis options like Scania's use inline-6 turbo diesels with up to 560 horsepower for stable, confident highway cruising. Cars2WD.com. Ride quality and handling. Despite their bulk, adaptive air suspension smooths bumps. Load leveling systems keep body roll in check. Advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise and lane keeping improve highway confidence. These tech additions make highways feel comfortable, even luxurious, compared with older RV designs. Baluni. Chapter 6, Safety and Driver Assistance, 45005200. Movie camera, safety icons, clips of parking, reverse cams. Safety is crucial in vehicles this large, and 2026 models come equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, 360 degrees cameras, automatic emergency braking, stability control systems. Together, these systems help reduce the stress of navigating city streets, highways, and tight campsites. Baluni. Chapter 7, Practicality and Utility, 5200 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Movie camera, storage compartments, power systems, water tanks. A key advantage of the double-floor concept is utility organization, underfloor storage for tools, outdoor gear, and utilities. Large fresh water, greywater, and waste tanks. Roof solar arrays and battery banks for off-grid power. Dedicated zones for heating, cooling distribution. This means you can spend weeks in remote locations without hooking up to hookups, which is a major selling point for adventure travelers. Cars2WD.com. Chapter 8, Unique Selling Points USPs, 1 hour 0 minutes and 0 seconds to 1 hour 15 minutes and 0 seconds. Host on camera. So what makes the 2026 double-floor motorhome truly stand out? Here are the big USPs. 1. Space without compromise. 2. Full floor levels, a rare feature in 2026, give hotel-like living space without sacrificing drivability. Carblogs.in. 2. Versatility. Whether you want family vacations, remote work, or full-time living, this design adapts. Sandstone paving. 3. Premium comfort. Materials and systems now rival luxury homes, not just campers. Baluni. 4. Tech integration. From smart home controls to connectivity, it's a living space on wheels. Baluni. 5 Energy and off-grid capability. Solar, batteries, and energy-efficient systems let you stay away from hookups longer. Cars2WD.com. Chapter 9. Price and value. 1 hour 15 minutes and 0 seconds to 1 hour 30 minutes and 0 seconds. Movie camera graphics. Price ranges, value animations. Host voiceover. Now let's talk money. These motorhomes are an investment, but what kind of price are we looking at? Here's a rough breakdown for 2026 double-deck motorhomes. Model, trim, estimated price USD. Entry, base double-decker RV. $450,000. Mid-range luxury configuration. $700,000 $900,000. Ultra-luxury fully custom. $1 million plus. Yes, this puts them in the premium segment, but given the space, technology, and living quality, many owners view it as owning a mobile castle instead of a vacation rental. Long-term travelers, digital nomads, and families planning year-round travel often find the weekend trips pay for themselves compared to hotels and rentals. Carblogs.in. Chapter 10. Pros and cons. 1 hour 30 minutes and 0 seconds to 1 hour 40 minutes and 0 seconds. Host on camera. Here's a quick pro-con rundown. Pros. Incredible living space. Luxury interior finishes. Tech-forward features. Off-grid readiness. Strong performance powertrains. Carblogs.in +1. Cons. High purchase price. Larger size can be harder to park. Fuel costs on powerful engines. Some models may need special permits. Experience. Cars2WD.com. Conclusion and call to action. 1 hour 40 minutes and 0 seconds to 2 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Host on camera. There you have it. The 2026 Double Floor Motorhome is nothing short of a revolution in luxury travel. Whether you're planning cross-country trips, off-grid adventures, or even full-time living, this vehicle is designed to make the journey as comfortable as the destination. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more vehicle deep dives, and let us know in the comments, what would your dream RV include? Outro. End. Movie camera B-roll of motorhome driving off into sunset, music fades. Host voiceover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road. If you want, I can also provide a Urdu dubbed version of this script or separate on-screen text cues and shot lists for shooting editing.